Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be playing the Fat Controllers engines once again because this game is like really good. Anyway, so what we're going to be doing in today's episode is I actually don't know today. Is it me or like some engines missing? And who's BCE? Anyway, we're just gonna be checking out some, this game. Green running board? White running board? What? Oh, no, I just took away his running board. Black buffers? Nah, bro, we don't want buffers here. No buffers here today, boy. Okay, yeah, okay, it's clear this game's just a little bit weird. So... What the? Where's my tender? Tenders and turntables. Blah. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say in this video. So anyway, last episode on this game, we didn't really do anything. So in this episode, we're gonna check out some things. Pretty sure it's basically just the same as Blue Train with Friends, but just a little bit better. So we're gonna get some express coaches and just go check out what if there's like anything new about this. I wish there was a consist for express, but there isn't. So I'm just gonna get back to you guys when I did that. I think Big City Engine, I'm pretty sure, is a bit too slow. So we're gonna get a different engine. I was thinking, like, Hybrid Henry from last episode. Hey! Get that. Let's do Hybrid Henry, yeah. Okay, good. We have our tender.
Mom got a new PlayStation.
Cool.
What?
Like a PS4?
Yeah.
Okay. Like in box or like used? Anyway, we're gonna give Henry the express to pull. Henry's pulling the express. Bro, why? You know what? I'm just gonna uncouple the express coaches. No, I really should have. I feel like Henry has like wheel slip on for some reason. I don't know why. Bro. Okay, anyway, we're just gonna go. Yeah, we're going way faster. We're zooming. All I want is a little redefining, a slinky, swifter coupe that is smooth and shiny. To get the speed I really need, streamlining. Thinking, wait, hold on. I've come to you, my friend, as I need some redefining. To be a tank engine is so confining. Gave me the curves I deserve. Stream. So give me the curves I deserve. Streamlining. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I had to. We're just gonna go to Crosby. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Beep boop. Anyway, we're at Crosby, and I don't know who this is. NJ? Is this an OC? If so, get out! I don't know. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. Bro, can you just not delete his tender? It's like impossible. There's like no delete button. This should be illegal. Where? Can't even interact with his lamp, bro. Bro, what is this? Anyway, let's see if there's any other engines that I don't recognize. Who's Derby? Oh, this thing. Bro, I can't spawn engines here anymore. That sucks. No, I can't even. Ugh! Who's Timothy SEC? I hope you like Brig. Oh, that guy. I'm just gonna spawn a bunch of engines there and see if I can get it to just work. Get that out of there. Oh, yep, that's working all right. Why is Arthur purple? Why is bro purple? Purple lining. Wish you wonder who is passing who. Wish you wouldn't believe it's even true. Wish me will be a shiny streak of racing blue. Go Thomas, go, go Thomas, go. Oh no, no, oh no, 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 I'm stuck. Wait, Bluebell. Bluebell? Sorry, I've heard Bluebell before somewhere. I don't know how to clear that. Anyway, let's hope that that's far enough to spawn. Diesel 10. See how he looks in Blue Train. Or not Blue Train. Why is he backwards? It's Pinchy. Pinchy, Pinchy, Pinchy. Pinchy, 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 Pinchy. Okay, yeah, that's better. Yum. I'm going to eat you. Ba 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 na. Ba woo. Now I've got my FOV. I flip it back?
Yeah.
Bam, bam, bam. Okay, thank goodness I could delete him. I don't know what I... Who the heck is Ryan? Sounds like an OC. Okay. I don't think he's supposed to be this purple, though.
Who was?
Ryan from, What do you mean, Season 2?
Was it from season 1?
No. It's not even in the model era. You're a fraud! Get out! Oh, and now he has the tender, and now he's going somewhere. He has dreams, alright? You can't diss his dreams. Yeah, you can. You actually really can. I'm pretty sure this episode is just trying to be like me messing around. Duck, I was looking for you earlier. Does anybody know why? Yeah, it's because of that building right there. Come on, Duck, let's go. Oh, you really made it, sir? Yeah, I mean it. Oh, thank you. We can go now. Why are you stopping me? You'll see. Why are you bringing me onto... Why are you bringing me to... Why are you putting me on the turntable? Don't ask. There we go. Why are we spinning? We're pulling a heavy goods train and we need... that. Alright. Just, hold on. Let me just go over here. Okay. Okay, so what the... Okay, let's go! Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Stop! Stop! Artemis shaved. Artemis essentially. Artemis. Anyway. We could still put you back on the track. Oh god, no, 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 no. I'm going in the bushes. Goodbye. I'm in the bushes. I'm hiding in the bushes. I'm hiding in the bushes. Hee hee hee. Uh-oh. I'm a panier from the Great Western. Wait. Can we get him back on the rails? Can we get him back on the rails? That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. No, we can't, sadly. I'm sad. Depressed. Anyway. I'm just a silly little Goofy Goober, guys. Bleh. So we got Hybrid Thomas, one of the worst engines to spawn here because of the unnecessary wheel slip. For some reason that he gets when he spawns over here. Instead, we're spawning Clearwater Thomas. Yeah, Clearwater. I love Clearwater. Why is there still... Anyway. Anyway, Thomas, just wait right here. Where is that thing at? Eh. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Wow, I'm collecting a jet engine? Thank you. You're welcome. Blip. Ah, if I can... Oh, there it is. It's on. We're going. Aghast. Sorry. Aghast.